Hey, welcome guys to Janine's Gluten-free Kitchen. This is Jack.
I'm Jack. That was really awkward.
Today we're doing something quite different. We are holding a dinner party for 26 of our close friends. And we are putting on a wrap around the world dinner party, which is going to be, the theme of it is wraps with different flavors. Mexican.
Going around the world, we've got Greek as well.
Greek.
Middle Eastern.
Yep. Indian. Yum. We're going to make some keto wraps. We're going to marinate some lamb, some fish bites.
Yep. And
salads.
Yeah.
Sauces. It's going to be yum.
Basically just meat, filling, and any wrap that you could ever think of.
It's going to be awesome. Pretty amazing. So we're going to take you through our lovely shopping experience and a bit of food prep and just talk it through as we're going. And then you get to see us having the dinner with all our friends and what it means to us to have these dinner parties. Because it's more than just the food, isn't it?
Oh, totally.
Yeah,
this is just about being with people.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, the whole thing.
Yeah.
That's what food's about. It tastes good and you can appreciate it, but really food brings people together.
That's it. Yeah, and even more, you know, I don't know about you, but the thing that I love the most about dinner parties is, yes, a chance to catch up with friends, but a chance to catch up with and family, but an opportunity to chat and to go deeper with each other, get to know each other more, bring up some really good quality conversation that's, you know, more than just that surface stuff that you often get, just to go deeper with everybody and really connect.
Totally, totally. I just love that that we've decided to do this. I love holding events with lots of people. It's just fun. That's basically the simplest reason why we do this, and everything we're doing here is all about fun. You know? We're just having fun, and we're gonna have a fun time.
Yeah. And bring, you know, a really good quality of presence and care and nurturing and love to all that we prepare, so that we can share that with our family and friends.
Cool.
Yeah, so I'm going to start by marinating some lamb. I've got some beautiful Mexican spices that I've just put together with some paprika and smoked paprika and oregano and garlic and a bit of chili, and I'm going to...
Sounds amazing. Oh my God, it smells so good.
It does, doesn't it? So this is going to be marinated because the dinner party's tomorrow. So we're going to marinate this lamb, which is a shoulder, overnight to really let the flavors infuse. So you love cooking yourself, don't you, Jack? I mean, I know this of you because we share a house, we live together.
Yeah.
Jack's part of the family.
Yeah, I mean, cooking is such a beautiful way to be in the world. You know, whenever I'm cooking, I'm so there with what I'm doing, and I find that it's a really good practice of being consciously present, and it's almost like a form of meditation. Like you kind of just you kind of flow into what you're doing, and eventually you have something cool.
Yep. I find that if I'm not present when I'm cooking, like if I'm in a hurry or I'm trying to cut corners, the food just does not taste as good.
Totally. And you can feel it too. Like you're not as supported to be in life. You know, food is such a fundamental source of energy for us. Like it's not the only source, but it's one of the most important parts of your of how you get energy. And when you're not present with how you cook it and how you buy it and what you choose to cook and what you choose to buy, and you know.
Yeah, you're doing yourself a disservice. Aren't you? Yeah, agreed wholeheartedly.
Now, what I can really feel when we come here, and like particularly tonight, is how much love and preparation there is that goes into the whole process, and just a flow and an ease to it without the drive and the push that so often comes with entertaining.
The food nourishes you to a certain extent, but the choice to nourish yourself, that gives you more energy than the food does.
Yeah, I mean, what you're tapping into there is just like some fundamental self-care. It's not just about, oh, I'm hungry, I'm going to eat something.
Yeah, smash
but
something
like,
in.
yeah, exactly. You know, I'll get something on the road or just get some takeaway or whatever.
Yeah. Well, sometimes that's needed.
Yeah, totally. But then sometimes it's like, well, actually, I can feel that heavy lamb dish isn't going to support me today. I've got a big day, I've got a big night. I need to be on my game.
Yeah.
Lamb's going to make me heavy.
Totally.
So perhaps I'll go for fish tonight or something like that. You know, it has so many nuances.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I love that.
Dinner was amazing. So not only is it the people, it's the incredible food, without a doubt.
We're doing a lot of the prep today so that tomorrow we're not so tired from cooking that we can't be present with everybody. That's really important. For me, that's a really important part of any dinner invitation, is to plan it well so that I am, one, not having to cook while everyone's here.
Yeah.
And you know, the majority of it's done, but two, I'm also not so tired from doing so much.
Yeah.
So I try and do as much as possible the day before, and even a couple of days before if I can, like, you know, with dips and sauces.
And you also did the fish on like Tuesday, didn't you?
Yeah, so I did some marinating ahead of time and popped that in the freezer. Because we're doing like barbecued fish bites, the fish doesn't have to be like fresh, unfrozen. It won't, and because it's strongly marinated, it also won't affect it. So, you know, that just gives it extra time marinating.
Yeah, exactly. I love the feeling of being so prepared, you know.
Yeah.
I've often gone into things in my life where I'll have someone around and I don't really think about it until the day of, and I'm like, oh no, what do I do? I need to get all of this stuff done and I don't even think about it. So it's a really lovely experience working like with no time constraints. It feels like you have all the time in the world. It's really spacious. There's no stress.
Yes, exactly.
Like it's just easy. It's really nice.
Yeah. And you can, don't get me wrong, you can work fast.
Yeah.
There's a difference between working fast and working stressed.
Yeah.
You know,
totally.
Working stressed can often lead to mistakes in what you're doing, missing things.
Yeah.
And the quality of the food is not great as a result.
Quality food with quality company, just everything about it. The level of care and love and appreciation that she puts into it is so obvious, and just lovely to be a part of it.
So today we're going to be chopping most of our veggies, our salads, and then tomorrow we're going to do most of our cooking. So even the salads that we're chopping, we're going to dress them tomorrow so they don't go soggy. But you can definitely pre-chop your salad veggies and any other veggies the day before, as long as you keep them sealed well in the fridge. Then a day ahead is a-okay.
Yeah, because my first thought when you say like prepping things, I get the thought that, you know, it oxidizes like
like browns?
Yeah.
Yeah, you've got to think about the veggie and you've got to plan which ones you're going to cut, which ones you're not. Obviously, avocado is like the last second. And so what we can do with the tomatoes though is actually leave them in a colander overnight.
Oh, so it doesn't get soggy.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
All of the liquid drips out of it overnight in the fridge, and even the temperature draws the moisture out and it drips out. Yeah,
that's cool.
Yeah, I learned that one from my dad because we used to make a lot of tabbouleh for cafes and things.
Oh, nice.
So we'd chop up all the tomatoes, put them in big sieve colander things and sit them in the fridge overnight, and then the next day you'd have like tomato soup underneath it.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Can you use the tomato soup for anything?
Absolutely.
Cool.
You can make a chilled tomato summer soup or throw it into a dressing or
Yeah, that's awesome.
make a soup out of it. Or,
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an honour to be here, yeah, it really is. It's really something special. It doesn't have the pressure feel that you get in dinners with groups of people sometimes. There's no pressure, there's no imposition. It's just lovely being here.
We have all these beautiful herbs, fresh, vibrant herbs. Very tasty herbs.
It is. Wow.
Can't go past mint. And what we thought we'd do with it is make a herb salad to go with our tacos. Yeah. I mean, it's included, we're putting it in a lot of other foods, but there's nothing yummier than a fresh herb salad. There you go. I think it's really important when you're cooking to also continue to take care of yourself. Have a break, have a cup of tea.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah, no, we're doing really well. We've made some sauces already yesterday. We made our roasted capsicum and chili sauce. Yeah, that was pretty yummy. And we also made the lovely tahini sauce to go with the Middle Eastern lamb.
Yeah. This tea is so good though. My goodness. Yeah.
Cheers. Hey guys, welcome. We are on our second day of our dinner party prep. We're expecting everybody over in about an hour, even less. And we have been busy at it today. We have been making keto wraps.
All day. My back is very sore, but it's been awesome. These keto wraps, we've just made it all ourselves, rolled it all ourselves, which is really cool, and it's going to be absolutely delicious with everything.
Yep, we've got all the sauces to go with it that
Yep.
we made. Some beautiful aioli and dill and parsley mayo.
Yep.
We've made some charred asparagus to go with it.
And it looks so good.
And the beautiful lamb, we've got slow cooked lamb. That's the Mexican flavoured lamb. And then we have also put the Greek style Mediterranean lamb on the spit, which should be delicious.
It just like blows my mind that that's a thing that we can do.
And we've got some delicious little cakes. We made some gorgeous paleo carrot cake last night and coconut lemon individual cakes that we iced today. They look really good.
They're so cool. Yeah. Awesome. Well, we better get back to it.
Yeah, we've got a little bit more to do before the guests arrive.
What Janine helps foster with her amazing food and company is exactly that, you know, a sense of community and a sense of belonging, and it's just amazing. It's out of this world.
Welcome everybody to our community dinner. Thank you for coming along. This is just so awesome. And Jack and I have had an amazing time shopping and cooking and preparing. We've had so much fun doing it.
The whole time we've been doing this, since we came up with the idea, right to this very moment, we've just been like so excited to share this night with you. And everything that's gone into the preparation, the buying, everything has just been all about like bringing us all together and having a great time. So thanks so much for coming.
And as always, it's been a pleasure to put this together for you guys. So Welcome, enjoy. Cheers, everyone. Bon appetit.
The pancakes themselves were just delicious.
The rotisserie lamb.
Those little psyllium taco wraps were a winner.
I love the herb mix, the green herb mix with that.
Probably the pulled lamb.
The sauces were really good.
Oh, and the cake was bonus too.
It was the lamb that was on the skewer.
All of it.
So it's an actual opportunity to get to really have great conversations with people in an environment where there's no alcohol, no music.
Sharing is caring. It just brings us together, and both. I guess it gives us an opportunity to reconnect with friends, old and new, and connect with people that we haven't met before, and connect deeply.
I think it gives us an opportunity to come together, which you don't always get to do, not in an environment that's welcoming and supportive and nurturing.
It's the sharing of company, it's the sharing of lives, it's just us sharing with each other, who we are, and Janine creates that space.
We're there, we have that time to explore options, to get to know each other just that little bit better than you can in any other environment.
You know what I love doing with those is slow cooking them whole on the vine and with a little bit of olive oil and garlic. Oh,
My fries undone. Oh, it's just so good.